This is your e-commerce business. You've got a great product. You're busy handling all the things that make your business run, fulfilling customer orders, providing customer service, generating sales, sourcing product, and trying to grow. What if we told you there was a service that can make maintaining it all easier and could help you find new customers at the same time? We wanted to call it Make More Money and Grow Your Business Fast and Save Time and Delight Your Customers by Amazon, but the logo is too big. Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, makes your products more visible to millions of loyal, happy Amazon customers while providing the world-class fulfillment, fast shipping, and acclaimed customer service that can bring your business to the next level. Here's how it works. You simply send your inventory to Amazon's state-of-the-art fulfillment centers located close to your customers around the world. Your products will be stored securely, and you can send us as little or as much as you want. When you use FBA, your products listed on Amazon become eligible for Amazon Prime and free Super Saver shipping, so more of your customers can get what they want fast and free, and more of our customers can become your customers. When customers buy your products, Amazon will pick, pack, and ship them, and will also manage customer service and even returns 24 hours a day. Our technology works for you behind the scenes, so you're free to focus on growing your business locally and globally. Not only are you continually selling, FBA will help you reach customers around the world with the click of a button. You can even use FBA to fulfill sales from your own website and other online channels. With Amazon's ever-expanding fulfillment network, your business benefits from Amazon's scale. And whether you're small or large, FBA gives you all the tools necessary to manage your business more effectively, from pricing optimization to business analytics and personalized business recommendations. You can manage your inventory online from any device and from any location. So the question is, keep doing it all yourself or use the service that can help you make more money, grow your business, save time, and delight your customers. Fulfillment by Amazon. Get started now.